Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Class 2nd standard. Subject EVS. Topic Thank you, dear helpers. Dear children, observe in your textbook. Dabbu uncle was a big dreamer. He felt he could solve any problem, whether it was mending a leaking pipe or repairing an electrical gadget, or for that matter, even making a wooden chair. But every time he tried to repair or make anything, he ended his spoiling things further. One day, he even tried to stitch a shirt for himself. This is what he made. Yes, children, already you know that. Who will stitch our clothes? Yes, tailor stitch our clothes. We cannot do everything on our own. We need skilled people to help us. They make our lives comfortable. Yes, children, we cannot do everything our own work. We cannot stitch, we cannot grow crops, we cannot guard our society. So, all the purposes, all the helpers are there in our society to do the help. These are the helpers in our society to do help us. Yes, a farmer grows food for us. Farmer grows fruits, vegetables, cereals and like rice, etc. No, for us. Yes, farmers grows food for us. And also, a policeman looks after our society. If thieves is there in our society means policeman catch the thieves, and also the policeman maintain law and order. A postman brings letters and parcels home. A postman brings letters and parcels, greeting cards for us. Okay, if your uncle auntie stayed far away from us, no, that time you are writing no letters and you want to send letters, greetings means postman. If your post means postman brings and gives us letters and parcels and gifts for us. And also porter. Porter carries our luggage. A mechanic repairs all kinds of engines. A butcher sells meat. Yes, butcher help us to carry the heavy loads. We cannot, if you are not cannot possible to carry heavy load means that time here is the porter. He will help us to carry the heavy luggages. Okay. Like this way, porters also help us to carry the heavy luggages. And also, mechanic repairs all kinds of engines. Yes, like this in our society, so many people are there to help us. The people of the village and the people of the city help one another. In village side, they will help, they will grow the crops and make the pots. Potters makes the pots. And then blacksmith, he will make the black weapons. And then here, weaver use the baskets like that. In cities, like this, people help us. Teacher will help us to teach. Tailor help us to stitch our clothes. And postman brings our postcards and gifts to us. And also, if we are not feeling well means, that time who will help us? Yes, children, doctor help us to give treatment for us. Like that also, nurses also take care of us in hospitals. These are the helpers in our society. They will help in many ways. Okay, we buy vegetables from the vegetable sellers and fruits from the fruit salesman. Here is the fruit seller. Okay, fruit seller sells the vegetables and fruits. Then we are going to buy the fruits and vegetables. And also, like this way, many helpers are there in our society. A mason works with cement and builds our homes. Mason means he helps us to build our houses. He uses bricks, cement and then steel, and he will build our houses. A fireman puts out out the fire. And greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. These are also help us in our society. If you want to build our house means we cannot build our house our own only. So they are help us to build our house. And if it is fire is there means in society, fireman help us to put out the fire. Okay, the fireman help us to put out the fires and save people. Okay children, mason help us to, he will build the houses. Mason works with cement and builds our homes. Like that also fireman puts out the fire. A greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. A greengrocer, grocer means yes, he sells the vegetables and fruits. Yes, we buy vegetables from the vegetable sellers and fruits from the fruit sellers. We are going to buy the vegetables from the vegetable sellers and fruits from the fruit sellers. A fishmonger sells fish. Fishmonger sells fish. Yes, a fishman sells the fish also. There we will buy the fish and then some of them eat the non-vegetarian, no, they will eat the fish also. They will sell the fish. All the kind of work, same people they cannot do. Different people are doing different works. Like this also, an architect makes plans for buildings. An architect makes plans for building. Plans, he will plan the house, how to build our house, where we should build the kitchen, hall, dining table. They will go to plan how much space we should leave the hall and kitchen and bedroom, toilet, where it should become, like that they will plan. So an architects make the plans for building. The army, navy and air force keep us safe in our country. Yes, the army means soldiers. Soldiers, they are helpful, very useful for us. They will guard always our country in the border. They are doing very sincerely, they guard our country. Navy means, here Navy means they are guard our ocean side, ocean and seas. They were to enter the other country, terrorists, like that they will guard and then they will keep our country safe. Air force means planes. Plain people, they are also doing fight with other countries people, those who are attacking our country, no, that time they are doing safe for our country. The army, navy and air force keep us safe in our country. Like this also, a teacher teaches us to be good and clever. Who will help us to read, children? Yes, everybody know that a teacher teaches to be good and clever. If you are your parents also first teachers for you. They will help you to how to sit, stand and then good manners, how behave in front of others. No, they will teach how to behave in society. And also a teacher teaches to be good and clever. A weaver weaves our clothes for our clothes. Okay, and a newsreader, a weaver weaves clothes for our clothes. Okay, here observe children how they are weaving machine. Here is the weaving machine. Weaver weaves our clothes of different kinds. A newsreader gives us all the news on TV and radio. A newsreader gives us, he will report what happens in our society, in other places, what happened, that one they will collect all the news. News means north, east, west, south. All the sides of other spaces, other places, news they will collect and they will report in our TV and radio. We can listen and watch in TV and radio what happens in our country, what is the protests are happening and where is the accidents have happened and where is the floods are happening. That one we are watching, no, in our TV. all this one it is possible to see in our live telecast TV and radio. TV means television. We can watch all the where the place, other places, what happens, other country, what happens. We can watch and listen all the news. We know that everything. Yes, children, let us recall. Write the correct word in the dash. Here is the postman. Postman brings letters and greeting cards for us. Yes. Who help us to bring our postcards and letters? Yes, postman brings and gives us letters and greetings. And doctor and nurses look after the patients in the primary health centers. When we are sick, no? That time who help us to give treatment? Yes, children, everybody know that. Doctors and nurses look after the patients in the primary health centers. Let us recall. Write correct word in the dash. Nidhi wanted to grow plants. She asked a dash to help her. Nidhi wanted to grow plants in her garden. Then who will grow the plants in garden? Here they are given two options, gardener or doctor. There you should write gardener. Yes, I underlined in this gardener word. Just should write in this blank. Gardener help us to grow the plants. Riddhi's mother asked a dash to repair the leaking tap in her kitchen. Here is a mason and plumber. They are given two options. Who will help us to repair the leaking tap and in our kitchen? Yes, mason or plumber? Yes, children, you are right. Plumber help us to repair the leaking tap. Okay, plumber mends and fits the taps and pipes, no? So he will help to repairs the leaking taps in her kitchen. There you write plumber. Mason means he will build the houses. Okay, there you write plumber only mends taps and pipes, no? So you have to write plumber. And other peoples also in our society, they will help. A blacksmith makes things of iron using this nails, hammer, like that. So many iron things made up of iron things. A blacksmith means ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಬಿಸಿ ಕಾಯಿಸಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ದಟ್ blacksmith only makes the things of iron. Bunty went to a dash when he fractured his elbow. Yes, Bunty, one girl, went to a dash when he fractured his elbow. Doctor or carpenter? Yes, doctor. Bunty went to a doctor. There you write doctor. Doctor only gives us no treatment when we are sick, when our bones are fractured. That time only bones doctor. Okay, orthopedic doctor was the bones doctor. They will help us to give the treatment for our wounds. Okay, when we fractured his elbow, doctor help us to give treatment. There you write doctor. His Dabbu uncle bought a more cloth and gave it to a dash for stitching his shirt. There you write tailor. A tailor only stitches our clothes, no? Right there, tailor. And so many people in our society help us to do all the things. Here you can see in this picture, postman help us to bring letters, and then your parents also help us. Tailor stitches our clothes, and then haircut. Who will do haircut? Is a barber cut our heads. Cut your heads. They will help us to make your hair neat and tidy. No, they are also helpful people in our society. Like that also, follow driver helps to drive the bus, and he will drop the people where you want to live. School bus, auto rickshaw, or you can come by school bus, auto, two-wheeler, like that. No, you are coming by different vehicles. So all this they will do. Drivers only help us in this way. Sumit's father contacted a dash to build a study table for Sumit. Sumit's father contacted a dash. Either you write carpenter. Carpenter you have to write. Okay, carpenter he will fits and mends the furniture. He will make the furniture. Carpenter makes furniture like sofa, cot, chair, table, like that he will make, no. So carpenters he will do the woodworks. So here you write carpenter. Mohan asked M dash to repair the fuse in his house. Who will help us to do the electric work? Yes, electrician or mason? Yes, electrician. Electrician do the repair work. So in this society, so many people are there. They will help us in different ways. Each one does something useful for other people in the community. There are so many people in our community. They will helpful to us. It's Swati, Rana, Fayaz and Paul bought a cake to celebrate driver's uncle's birthday. He drives their school bus every day. Here Swati, Rana, Fayaz and Paul, they are all friends. They are together celebrate a driver's uncle birthday. Okay, they celebrate driver uncle birthday. He drives their school bus every day. They are going by school bus, no, the driver uncle gives birthday, they are celebrating. Okay, how nice, no? It is very funny. Okay, they are celebrating driver uncle's birthday, because driver uncle also he will bring us to near to the school and picks and drop you all the time, no. In time he will bring to you and he will pick you. After that he will send near to your home, no. So these are the people help you to so many ways. Driver also very useful person in our society. All the work every time we can't do, no. So many people are there. They help us in different ways. Okay, we would not be able to do anything without our helpers. We would not able to do anything without our helpers. Without helpers we can't do anything. Okay, we should always be polite and thankful to them, all the people. So all the people we should give respect, because they are doing their different work. Okay, they are helpful for us in many ways. Like this also, a potter makes earthen pots and vessels from wet mud and clays. We can get the earthen pots or vessels. Some vessels also we can get, and some mugs, coffee mugs also nowadays they are doing diyas, like that. So many using earthen soil, they are doing so many things. Okay, they are also helpful in our society. And also you know that already doctors and nurses look after the patients in the primary health centers. And also everybody know that goldsmith, what he will do, goldsmith? His children, a goldsmith makes beautiful ornaments from gold. Yes, goldsmith makes a beautiful ornaments. Your mummy also wearing, no, like that. All the beautiful ornaments, goldsmith makes beautiful ornaments from the gold. Yes, and also a cobbler, another one person. He is very important for everyone. A cobbler makes and mends our shoes. You are all wearing shoes, chappals, no? Yes, who will mend our shoes and chappals? Yes, children, a cobbler makes and mends our shoes. Yes, you are getting no different varieties of slippers and then shoes, belts. Okay, all this one you will use to make the cobbler. And also he is also very important person in our society. Who will bring us milk every day? Yes, milkman brings milk from the milk dairy. He will bring and give milk packets. You are getting from shops also, no? Yes, the milkman brings milk from the milk dairy. He is also very important from our society. And also another one person also is there. Yes, if your hairs are growing more, no, that time where you are going to cut your hairs? Yes, the barber cuts our hair. Okay, children? and blacksmith, goldsmith also, he will make beautiful ornaments. So many people are there in our society, they will help us in our society. Each one does something useful for other people in the community. All the people are very important in our community. Each people does something useful. Some of them doing some different work. And also garbage collector also very important. He will collect every day garbage collector garbages, and he will make our home clean. And also vegetable seller, every day you are looking, no, and newspaper also you are getting from the early morning. That one also newspaper man also brings us, gives, no, he is also very useful for us. Here is some time to think. Questions are there. Let us think and write. Who am I? Name the helpers. We should write the helpers. I grow food for everyone. Who will grow food for everyone, children? Yes, farmer grows food for everyone. Farmer means everybody know the children? Yes, farmer means ರೈತರು ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳೆದು ಊಟ ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಬೆಳೆದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. I cook food in hotels and restaurants. Who will cook food for us? Yes, in hotels and restaurants. In home your mummy will cook, but in hotel and restaurants they will cook no food. For them we call chef. Okay, next third one. I repair all kinds of engines. I repair all kinds of engines. Engines who will do repair? Yes, a mechanic. A mechanic repair all kinds of engines. I guard the school gate. Yes, I guard the school gate means who will guard our school gate? Yes, watchman. Everybody saw our school gate watchman, no? Yes, they will guard, he will guard our school gate. I do the cement work in all buildings. Yes, cement work, who will do cement work? Yes, you are correct, children. A mason help us to build our houses using bricks and cement. A mason works with cement and builds our homes. I hope everybody understood this lesson, children. Everybody read this lesson once in your textbook. And also write all these names. Who am I? Read the sentence, fill in the blanks, say all the names in your classwork neatly. Thank you, children.